Om Shanti. This is the Avyakt Murli of 13th of February 1984, and the title is The Reason for Peacelessness is Lack of Attainment, and the reason for lack of attainment is impurity. Avyakt Bapdada meeting the guests after the conference. Today, the Father, the ocean of love, and the ocean of peace, has come to meet his children who love peace and who are embodiments of love. Seeing the one desire of all the souls of the world for peace and true love, Bapdada has come to you children to show you the easy way to fulfill that desire. Seeing all the different methods that the children have been using over a long period of time in order to fulfill this desire, the merciful Father has mercy for you children. You are the children of the bestower and are asking for a moment's peace or peace for a short time. The children who have a right have become beggars and are wandering around for peace and love. While wandering around, some children have become disheartened. The question arises, can there be imperishable peace in the world? Can all souls have true, selfless love? In order to answer the children's question, the Father himself has had to come. Bapdada has come to give you children the good news. Yesterday, you, my children, were the masters of the world of peace and happiness. All souls were bound by the thread of true love. Peace and love were the specialty of your life. You think that there should be the world of love, the world of happiness, and the world of liberation in life that you now desire? Yesterday, you were the masters of that world. Today, you are creating that world, and tomorrow, you will be in that world. It is a matter of only tomorrow. Tomorrow, this land of yours will be the land of heaven. Have you forgotten this? It was your kingdom, a kingdom full of happiness, where there was no name or trace of sorrow or peacelessness, where nothing was lacking. Lack of attainment is the reason for peacelessness, and the reason for a lack of attainment is impurity. So what would there be where there is no impurity and nothing is lacking? Whatever desires you have and whatever plans you create, they will be practical there. That destiny of the drama is firm and unshakable. No one can change it. The predestined destiny is already created. The new creation has already been created by the Father. Who are all of you? You are the foundation stone of the new creation. It is because you consider yourselves to be the foundation stone that you have come here. Brahmin souls means images of support for the new world. Bapdada is pleased to see the children who are images of support. Bapdada also sings the song, Wah, my beloved long lost and now found sweetheart children. You also sing songs, do you not? You say, you alone are mine, and the Father says, you alone are mine. You used to sing these songs a lot in your childhood, did you not? 2 or 3 sisters sang that song, and Bapdada responded in return. Bapdada hears the sound of the heart, no matter what the sound of the mouth is like. The Father created the song, and the children sang it. Acha, some brothers and sisters were listening to the Murli in the history hall below, and Om Shanti Bhavan, and Bapdada was meeting the conference guests in the meditation hall. Children are sitting down below too. Bap Dada is seeing the faces of love and hearing their sweet complaints. All of you children play the part of world service from the depths of your heart with a lot of love. Bap Dada is congratulating all of you for your love and swinging you in the swings of love. May you have a long life. May you continue to progress, continue to fly, and always remain successful. The cooperation of everyone's love has made the task of the world successful. If Baba were to see the love-filled efforts that each child made, and then speak about them day and night, then that too would be too little. Just as the Father's praise is limitless, so too the praise of the serviceable children of the Father is also limitless. Love for one, enthusiasm for one thing, and the determination of definitely having to give all souls of the world the message of peace. There is success in the practical form of this love, and there always will be. Those who are far away are also close. You are not sitting down below, but in Bap Dada's eyes. Some are going back to train, and others by bus. But the Father remembers everyone. The thoughts of their minds are reaching Bap Dada. Acha, you are not guests who have come to the Father's home, but you are those who are going to become great souls. Bap Dada doesn't see all of you as IPs or VIPs, but as long lost and now found children. VIPs will come and see and hear everything for a little while and go away. However, children are always seated on the heart throne. No matter where you go, you will be in the heart. Congratulations for reaching your home, the Father's home. Bap Dada considers all of you children to be the decoration of Madhuban, his home. Children are the decoration of a home. Who are all of you? You are the decoration, are you not? Acha. To those who always have such determined thoughts, to the stars of success, to those who are always seated on the heart throne, to those who always remain absorbed in remembrance and service, the images of support of the new creation, to those who give the world new light and a new life for all time, to those who give everyone an experience of true love, to the loving, cooperative, constant companion children, Bap Dada's love, remembrance, and namaste. Questions from double foreign brothers and sisters, and Bap Dada's answers. Question: what is the new plan for this year's service? Answer: in order to bring time close, you first have to do the service of making the atmosphere powerful through your attitude. For this, pay special attention to your attitude. Secondly, in order to serve others, especially make emerge such souls who truly believe that the method for peace can only be found here. Let the sound emerge this year that if there is to be peace, it will only be through this method. This is the only method. What the world needs is nothing else but this method. This atmosphere should be created everywhere at the same time. In Bharat or abroad, let there be the sparkle of peace in a very visible way. Let everyone everywhere be touched and be attracted and say, that if there is a right place, it is here. Just as the government has the UNO, so that when anything happens, everyone's attention is drawn there. In the same way, whenever something happens and creates peacelessness, everyone's attention should be drawn to you as the souls who give the message of peace. Let them experience that this is the only place where they can remain safe from peacelessness and where they can seek refuge. This atmosphere should be created this year. The knowledge is good. Your life is good. Raj Yoga is good. Everyone says this. But now, let the sound be heard that real attainment can be attained here, that the world will benefit at this place with this method. Do you understand? For this, especially advertise peace. If anyone wants peace, you can find a method here. Have a peace week. Have a gathering for peace. Have a yoga camps for giving them the experience of peace. Spread vibrations of peace in this way. Creating students through service is very good. That expansion definitely has to take place. However, now, just as you have a variety of nationalities and souls of different religions, so there should be souls of all different occupations at every place. Anyone who goes to a center should be able to find someone of his own occupation at that center who can share his experience. Just as you have workshops here, sometimes of doctors, sometimes of lawyers, etc. When people of different occupations speak of the one subject of peace on the basis of their own occupation, they enjoy that. So in this way, people of every occupation should relate their experience of peace to anyone who comes to the center, and this will create an impact on them. Let them experience that this is an easy method for those of all occupations. For instance, for some time now, good advertising has taken place that this is the only method for those of all religions. Let there be this sound. Therefore, now spread the sound in this way. This sound reaches those who are in contact with you and the students, but now let there be a bit more attention paid to enable this sound to be spread in all directions. Only a few Brahmins have been created so far. The speed of becoming Brahmins number-wise cannot be said to be fast. Now, there should be at least 900,000. At the beginning of the Golden Age, you will rule over a minimum of 900,000. Will you not? There will be subjects in that too, but only when they now come into contact with you very well will they then become subjects. So according to this account, how fast should the speed be? As yet, the number is very small. What is the total number of those abroad? At the least, the number of those abroad should be 200,000 or 300,000. You are making very good effort. There isn't anything wrong, but now the speed should be a little faster. The speed will increase through the general atmosphere. Acha? Question. What is the way to create such a powerful atmosphere? Answer. You yourself become powerful. For this, pay special attention to checking whether your stage in every action from Amrit Vela onwards is powerful or not. By being busy in serving others And in making plans for service, there is sometimes a little lightness, slackness in your own stage. This is why the atmosphere doesn't become powerful. Service takes place, but the atmosphere doesn't become powerful. For this, you have to pay special attention to yourself. Karma and yoga. Together with karma, there has to be a powerful stage. This balance is lacking a little. By just being busy in service, your own stage doesn't remain powerful. The amount of time you give for service, the extent to which you use your body, mind, and wealth for service, in terms of this, you don't receive the 100,000-fold return of one that you should receive. The reason for this is that there isn't the balance of karma and yoga. Just as you make plans for service, you have leaflets printed, you have programs on the TV and radio. Just as you use these external facilities, in the same way, first of all, you should have a special method to make your stage of the mind powerful. This attention is lacking. You then say that because you were busy, you missed out on this a little. Then there cannot be double benefit. Question: some Brahmin souls are influenced by evil souls. What should we do at that time? Answer: for this, the atmosphere of the center has to remain very powerful at all times. And together with this, your own stage should also be powerful. Then the evil spirit won't be able to do anything. They catch hold of the mind. Because of the power of the mind is weak, those evil spirits influence the soul. So from the beginning, Yogyukt souls should have special yoga bhattis and give that influence soul power. The group of Yogyukt souls should also understand that they have to perform this special task. Just as you do other programs, in the same way, you also have to do this program with just as much attention. So when that soul receives power from the beginning, he can be saved. That soul may not be able to sit in yoga because of being under the influence of someone else. It doesn't matter if that soul doesn't sit in yoga, but you must continue to carry on with your task with faith in the intellect. Then gradually the mischief of that soul will continue to calm down. Many evil souls will first try to attack you, but you just realize that you have to carry out this task. Don't be afraid, and slowly the influence of that evil soul will be removed. Acha, blessing. May you be a conqueror of attachment and a trustee, and while earning an income and fulfilling your responsibility of relationships, remain free from all sorrow. Oh, fulfill the responsibility of worldly relations while living with them is a different matter from being attracted to them. To be a trustee and earn an income is a separate matter from earning out of attachment. The sign of a conqueror of attachment and a trustee is that he has no name or trace of sorrow or peacelessness. Sometimes there may be fluctuation in earning wealth or in fulfilling your responsibility with relations. Even if someone has fallen ill, there should be no wave of sorrow. Always remain a carefree emperor. Slogan: merciful souls are those who give courage and power to those who are weak. Om Shanti.